Kamusta? Ako si May. Ikaw?
Hello there! This video will provide you with the common words used in the Philippines to help you learn how to speak Tagalog or Filipino. Without further ado, let's get started!
Saan ang paradahan? Saan ang paradahan? Saan ang paradahan? Meaning, where is the parking lot? Saan ka paparada? Saan ka paparada? Saan ka paparada? Meaning, where are you going to park? May parada. May parada. May parada. Meaning, there's a parade. Huwag kang malungkot. Huwag kang malungkot. Huwag kang malungkot. Meaning, don't be sad. Panghuli siya. Panghuli siya. Panghuli siya. Meaning, he is or she is lost. Bakit ka sumisigaw? Bakit ka sumisigaw? Bakit ka sumisigaw? Meaning, why are you yelling? Or why are you raising your voice? Nakakailang siya. Nakakailang siya. Nakakailang siya. Meaning, he is or she is awkward. Nakailan ka na? Nakailan ka na? Nakailan ka na? Meaning, how many have you had so far? Tara na. Tara na. Tara na. Meaning, let's go or let's go already. Libre ko. Libre ko. Libre ko. Meaning, on me or my treat. Wala akong pakialam dyan. Wala akong pakialam dyan. Wala akong pakialam dyan. Meaning, I could care less about that or I don't care about that. Libre mo. Libre mo. Libre mo, meaning your treat or on you. Wag ka ganyan. Wag ka ganyan. Wag ka ganyan, meaning don't be like that. Sana ako na lang. Sana ako na lang. Sana ako na lang, meaning I wish it were me or I wish it were I. Nakapaglinis ka na ba? Nakapaglinis ka na ba? Nakapaglinis ka na ba? Meaning, have you cleaned yet? Or have you done chores yet? Kamusta siya? Kamusta siya? Kamusta siya? Meaning, how is he or she? Naghiwalay sila. Naghiwalay sila. Naghiwalay sila. Meaning, they separated or they've broken up. Kahit na. Kahit na. Kahit na. Meaning, even though. Ikamusta mo ako sa kanya? Ikamusta mo ako sa kanya? Ikamusta mo ako sa kanya? Meaning, send my regards to him or her. Sana mapagpasensya siya. Sana mapagpasensya siya. Sana mapagpasensya siya, meaning I wish or I hope he or she is a patient person. Saan ang bilihan nito? Saan ang bilihan nito? Saan ang bilihan nito? Meaning, where can I buy this? Saan ang tindahan dito? Saan ang tindahan dito? Saan ang tindahan dito? Meaning, where is the retail store here? Pwede ba? Pwede ba? Pwede ba? Meaning, is it possible or can I? Nanginginig siya. Nanginginig siya. Nanginginig siya. Meaning, he or she is shaking. Or he or she is shivering. Nagtatawanan sila. Nagtatawanan sila. Nagtatawanan sila, meaning they are laughing. Thank you for learning with me. I hope to see you soon. Paalam!